I want to take a few minutes and show you some of the new capabilities we have in the iOS application for Filr, and specifically the support for iOS extensions. So here we have our iPad mini, and I'm going to go ahead and open up Filr. So I'm just going to pick the very first document on our recently used documents list. And what would normally have to happen is you would open the document as I did here in Filr. Once you found the right document that you wish to edit, you would then have to open in, and up there in the corner, select open in and pick your editor of choice. So here we are in our editor. Let's get rid of this. I would make whatever changes I need to, and then go back and open in and basically pass a copy of this document back into Filr. So that's a lot of copying back and forth of our document. With the new iOS extensions, we actually have a much easier way of getting access to our documents. So I'm going to start with our editor. I'm going to pick Word because it has support for iOS extensions. And it's very much the way you might work on your desktop today. You pick your editor of choice, you say File Open, and you open up your document. Under the default locations that we have here, we can open up a local document. We can add, obviously, our OneDrive locations that Microsoft has. But under locations, under More and then Locations, we actually have the ability to add Filr as a location for our documents. So once we've done that and we go into More, you'll see that Filr comes up, and now I can go to My Files, and I can open up the document that I wish to open up, the same way I would from Windows. By simply saying File Open. So here's our document. I don't, as you can see here, have an Office 365 subscription, but if I did, I would go in, I would make my changes, whatever I needed to do, and then I would go up here to save and save that document directly back into Filr. I wouldn't need to open in again to pass it back. I just say File, Save, and that's that. So with that, I want to thank you very much. I hope you found this useful, and hopefully you can make use of the new iOS extensions yourself in your day-to-day activities.